All right, well, we're back at a new lake today, different from yesterday. Let's see if we can't catch some fish on some Icas. I got my grandpa here today. This guy's caught double digits like no other. So we're gonna get out here. We're gonna get a little rental boat. We got a little troll motor that we're gonna use and a battery. Nice, beautiful, sunny day. Hopefully we can't catch a few. See you on the water. It's just amazing where you can put a school of fish and they don't bite it. Oh no. Nice.
No problem.
Hire you as a deckhand. What was your biggest bass out of Casitas?
12 and a quarter.
12 and a quarter?
My biggest ever, anywhere.
Crawdad?
Yeah. About 25 feet on rocks.
On one of those points, huh?
Yeah, right near the dam.
Remember that bag we had on crawdads? They were all 7 to 9s, every single fish. It was insane.
Oh, not the 55-pound stringer was. The biggest one was 13 and a half.
Whoa. There's a whole family of raccoons going in the Thule hole. I never see them in the daytime. There's a whole family of them.
Yeah, isn't that cute?
Oh, you're talking about the day you got your 12? It was a 55-pound bag?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Huh? No, I didn't get it that day. It's a different day. Well, the biggest one I caught on that was just about 10. The smallest one in that bunch was 8, and the rest of them made up for it.
Jeez.
I got a picture of that. I think maybe
I still have that picture of us.
Well, yeah, we
didn't break 10, but they're all 7 to 9 pounds, every single one.
Yeah.
Yeah, crawdad or not, that's pretty impressive.
Well, those weren't the big batch 55-pound stringer was on Chad.
That makes sense.
Oh yeah, you talk about fish frenzy. We had 2 or 3 people hooked up at the same time with double-digit fish.
2 double digits at one time.
3 double digits.
3 at one time.
With 3 different fishermen. We had 2 boats, and we were on what's called the orchard.
So you had 3 double digits on at one time.
Between the 2 boats, yeah.
Between 2 boats.
The 2 boats, we had 3 double
So
digits.
one boat had 2.
One boat had 2, yeah.
Can you imagine if that lake got like that again?
I was trying to think. I think Kyle got one of those fish.
He did.
Huh? I think so.
He did. I broke mine off in the tree. I almost cried. I almost cried because it was sitting there It was sitting there vertical with its head shaking, and you could just see the belly. You lose one? Oh my God, he just dropped it. All right.
Beautiful color, really thick.
Look at that.
Yeah,
He choked it. You think he wanted that Ica?
I think he wanted it.
I think he wanted it. He's trying to swallow it. Stop it. I gotta get us off the spot a little bit. There we go.
Wow. He's already
Oh, yeah.
full of eggs, huh?
That's a male.
Got a bet in the mail.
Yeah.
Got a belly on him.
Well, first little Ica fish of the day. Kind of messed my line up a little bit, getting the hook out. I don't fish a spinning rod enough. They all feel so big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that a rod to use for crappie?
No, no. Too heavy. here we go. Just had to bust out the spinning rod, that's all it was. That's a better one too. Oh yeah. How many of you seen the bass boats catch? This is a pound bigger. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's way better.
Yeah, he is. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Did the same thing?
No, look at the hook. Look at this. It's the point. It didn't even open the weed guard. It's just the point.
Well, that's all it takes.
No barb.
Wow.
Look at, watch. Yeah, that's a better one for sure. He's fat. All right, dude. Thanks for playing.